In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export from Wrike. Whether you're managing projects or keeping team activities organized, Wrike can streamline many processes. And the ability to export your data is a crucial aspect of maintaining records or sharing information with others who may not have access to your account. Let's get started. First, head over to wrike.com and log in using your email. You'll find this option in the upper right corner of the page. Once you're logged in and you see the dashboard, you're on the right track. From there, navigate to the folder, project, or space that you want to export. Whether you're handling a single project or an entire folder of them, pinpointing the exact set of data you need is vital before moving on. This helps you to ensure that all pertinent information is included in your export. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here you'll spot a three-dot menu button. This is your gateway to accessing various options related to your project. Go ahead and click on it. You should now see an array of options appearing in a drop-down menu. What you're interested in is the option labeled Export Project to Excel. As you hover over this, you'll notice additional export choices popping up. This step is essential because choosing the right format and scope directly impacts the usability of your export data. Now, when you hover over the export option, a pop-up box will appear. This pop-up allows you to customize how your data will be exported. Options here typically involve deciding the extent and type of data you need. Spend a moment reviewing these options as they help tailor the export to your specific requirements. It could involve anything from exporting all details or focusing solely on high-level overviews. Once you've made your selection, click on the Export button. At this point, Wrike compiles the data in accordance with your specifications. Keep an eye out for a download link that will appear at the bottom of your screen. By clicking this link, it initiates the download of your file directly to your device. This step is straightforward, but remember your file is being sent to your computer's default location for all downloads. Typically, this will be your downloads folder unless you've changed your settings. And just like that, your Wrike project data is now safely exported to your computer. This powerful feature allows for seamless analysis, sharing, or archiving of your project data, ensuring everything you need is at your fingertips, even outside the Wrike environment. Remember, familiarizing yourself with Wrike's export functionality can significantly enhance your workflow and ensure your team stays aligned. Thanks for watching, and happy exporting.